education here.
Well, Madase, and I at was so a good evening. Some of the doors, so there's a fantastic out and points ready about Franco Trading Enterprise. The yes, acquired something about Franco Trading Enterprise. Now, I can't Franco, I wouldn't say we can dinner by any idea. Toby, open phone at all. No matter the phone, we be your Franco Trading Enterprise. Your friend of phone, Papa Fee, appliances, Papa Fee, a Franco Trading Enterprise. Now, you're creating me number about 2 jam when and also a C. Meaning, Kejuan Casa Eric, I see you D. Now, you shall say. Na yeri fi the Black Queens of Ghana. Yes, national teams no and one some more and na draw eba so ananya some keto akra e wo Morocco e to na wie na Ghana yakoto group D yani Cameroon, Mali and a Kived e mano Afcon no e wo and yakwakoto acha saying some keto akra na tournament share from the 17th of March to the 3rd of April 2026 in Morocco. Now, Yakane Sano, president at the Ghana Football Association, over 30 years of Kreku, at the Samo to Judges, or confidence, say Black Queens, but Biomakoto, you know, on beating my boy, on our screen to see I send groups out on this year in Group A, saying Kokoye now, Pacho, Famina Kakra. Now, Group A, this is it. I am Morocco, Algeria, Senegal, Kenya. Group B, South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, Tanzania. Group C, Nigeria, Zambia, Egypt, and Ghana, Cameroon, Mali, and group number 4 Kived. See, I got Chocosro Kakama had is a Chocosrebia near the last countries or Capo Verde, Ghana Group D in Hontation and South Family, Wayne and a draw. No, ACT. Keto Kreku, president of the Ghana Football Association.
To the draw, I think that on the back of the fact that Ghana were third at the last AFCON, Ghana should be ready to face any opponent, and therefore I was not too keen or interested in who comes into the group with Ghana. For me, Ghana should be able to play against any side on the African continent if you want to become a champion. So I'm happy about the draw. I think that the team will be very prepared. Taking our minds back, the FA invested a lot in preparing the Queens for the last AFCON, and I think that we would be in a position to offer them the same level of support and to make sure that the girls are very ready for the tournament. The ambition of the nation is to win the trophy, and I think that we are not far away from that.
And on and some 30 years of president Ghana Football Association the two now yakane sana no Kim last na coach the my team no say I draw we hu last year na say coach kasa e how who draw no and preparations necessary what they go akwam say na betimi akwakoya de e tournament yase.
I mean, in short term is all about to try to win the AFCON, but maybe in long term is maybe even more important to make the top 4 and to qualify for the World Cup. I mean, with the fullest respect for AFCON, that is an amazing tournament that we love so much, but a World Cup is a World Cup, and it's also going to be a huge thing, especially when it comes back to Brazil. So I really hope that we can make the top 4.
Wow, so I know ne sani esiete na. Me has na fixtures ne besi akọ sani WAFCON fixtures ne besi akọ say Ghana ye hu a group e demo no ye hwe fixtures no. Now Ghana in first game, ye second game, ye third game na fe ye hu whether or not you beat me qualify for the next round of the competition. If there are fixtures, but German fixtures now anybody are na kwan bia so be ko enim ni ahwe sani ensam no so esiete Franco Trading Enterprise, Franco Trading Enterprise. Okay, one of paying ya did 7 and so bro and I don't pay now. Young Queen, young Queens and for go Piemo of the Ghanaian Premier League more now. Oko Piemo ana this weekend here to us. So as of Ejina Kono and ne our University of Ghana Stadium. Nanano Omo Koko winning 1-0. Here is some bit me at the win no and so at was so. Did it remind you I had coach at the team in some to somewhere some lessons from that game Amukunya 1-0 or ho no.
We pick the lessons from our previous games, and always our previous games are a strong antidote to our coming games. We look at the challenges that we envisage in those games, we look at the lining parts of those games, and then we also consolidate our strengths. And so we will still continue to keep our identity in terms of our strengths, and then the challenges that we had in those games, what we have been working on. And also, we also have to think about the strengths of our opponents, because we acknowledge that they are a very force to reckon with when it comes to the league. And so we will respect that, and then we will stick to our strengths, and then we'll want to still compete, and then compete to win at the end of the day.
And on it, Didi Dramani somebody to Jana, Didi Kasawi and on it, Dreams Nebo and Refred Domon, now no much out of Lounge and a moment and son. Now, Domon says, and one second round there, CD, House of Folk Betty here.
Dreams FC from last season has been the best second half performance, and therefore the Heart of Lions win last Sunday has really boosted the confidence of the team, even as we look forward to the next game against House of Folk, another tall order. But we have to find a way to contain them. We have to find a way to manage this game. We have to find a way, to get something from this game.
Right, and so Winfred Domon, your coach many Parliament Dreams FC. Now, I'm a Chian at the Ghanaian Premier League transfer window near two. In fact, Ghana transfer window including Division 1 baby best transfer player Kubiano, ya tumu se yatwetwere. Here two mono. If you are a business, if you are a shadow top player, you have a band and so and 20 minute top player, but one or two signings, copy more Medema, copy more the other teams, some test for so ye be and the idea. My name more Shaban, and to us more boy more are my update of Sunday Ghanaian Premier League transfer window no AC acquire more.
Well, league now my very interesting January transfer window na Kotoko Prince Beduaba. Albert Amwa, the return of Albert Amwa. Dear topic will be able to discuss Memo up to speed update on the transfer deadline. Deals no Dogo, Yakuba Bakotoko. These are the deals of my but Abdurrahman, a Comediama Sporting Club, and a fine player, Obetumia Chen Bobre at the Amom, and a Victor Oduro, the right wing back, on also a Comediama Sporting Club. For young apostles, Omusonya Kwame Opoku goalkeeper, former goalkeeper. Osi akande my 11 wonders on so alcohol on Zuka aircraft people Andy Kubi Francis call I don't see a big deal so draw blacks I hear some deals Frank Awole alcohol and a William Dankwa former 11 wonders players too and na kwako PM and na Abranti Ayefeno Isaac Inkum I renew the contract. Inkum is back again in the Draw Blacks squad. No Bekum Charles or Gaston Henny and Jonah Tukwe is back again in the squad, and where you Jela, Yasha Sebet Miama, 11-1 Bekum Charles team no year pass. Somewhat in the do see a dealer Omunso etumi ya and then Yama Ekoye at the moment Gianna someone was for dinner and then Omuye and then Benjamin Chivanyo a player back one. Wakwako Kang and then Daniel Kwame Awuni and see a new dealer Gianna etumi in the January transfer window. Summertex Gabriel say from Park Academy or a striker, and then Summer Che a midfielder, defensive midfielder, or also for Park Academy where your top deals are or made to me a year in the January transfer window. Even 11-1 that's quite a deal. 11-1 that's Tozo Achu to me Suraj Rais Swaba and a former Karela midfielder. No suka see a kind. And I'm not say 12 for pound na your one kind. And the update in my summing up everything on the January transfer window. My name is Shaban Mohammed. Deals no yakutem na you make sure also be enjoy all the fillers in the January transfer window. For ratings, bra, how do you see the January transfer window?
Right, as a man more Shaban or Jiremo at 12 a.m. I say over my updates of every deal. Here we also had the HR. If you are late deals, if you also are loans, and baba more chilling down. You want some and so bro. I can say you match the 19 of the Ghanaian Premier League. Not you Sunny AC at here. This weekend you have to look and able you Sunny other fixtures no AC at here. This is it. 3 p.m. and now 3:30 at the University of Ghana Stadium. Ebebaso, umuse chuma menchen koso ho motua mo de kama mo metua ba still ebebaso. Now Gold Stars and Asante Kotoko Bochina at 3:30 Vision and Mediema and so ebebo. Kwasieda Nations and Adriana Stars bebo. Brekum Chelsea and Swedro All Blacks. Karela and Samatex and Ebo. Basake Holy Stars ni bechim na out of Lawrence at 11 Wonders about Young Apostles and Ho United and at the ebebo and we Ghanaian Premier League. Match day 19. Franco Trading Enterprise can want to pay nearly some of Brona. Yakupimo Yanama Manchester ready Ecoso. Now Okupimo EPL. There's a big game. The Manchester Derby is on, and Real Madrid will be in action. Barca will be in action. Yanko Esanie and also ACT. Foreign fixtures now. It is Manchester United, Manchester City, Dutch and Chelsea, Brentford, Nebel, Leeds, and Fulham, Liverpool, and Burnley, Bebona, Sunderland, and Crystal Palace. So Tottenham Hotspur and West Ham United, Northern Forest, Arsenal, and ball a weekend in the EPL. Now, ya can say on the Sunday fixtures this week here in the EPL. Yes, Wolves and Newcastle, Bebo, now Aston Villa and Everton, but there's Brighton and Bournemouth on Monday. Into Shannon Sosa, famami now. Yanko, a different country. If he EPL nima, Yanko La Liga. Yanko La Liga, and already across Spain. In Spain, Real Madrid is in action. Sansoda Barca is in action. Espanyol Girona, and Real Madrid Levante, Dachina, Mallorca, Athletic Club, Bilbao, Osasuna, Real Oviedo, Real Betis, Villarreal, and a day Bueni and Tika Shannon Sosa. Now, Getafe Valencia, Atletico de Madrid Alaves, Celta de Vigo, Rayo Vallecano, Nafi Sociedad, Nebasa, Edia Bueni. Monday, there's Elche and Sevilla. We in Manchester City in the La Liga. Now, you call Italy. You're interested in Italy. So no, this is Germany. Okay, Werder Bremen and Eintracht Frankfurt. Bonn and Borussia Dortmund, St. Pauli, Cologne and Mainz. Nebo Hamburg, Borussia Mönchengladbach, Hoffenheim, Bayer Leverkusen, Nafi Wolfsburg and Heidenheim and the Bonn Leipzig, Bayern Munich. Not a bad game at all. But 2.5 soon. Tiano Washan and so Edia Mayen El Hodemo. Now, this is Germany. Now, Italy near Pisa. Any Atlanta ball this weekend. Udine and Inter Milan, Napoli, Nisa Swallow, Cagliari, and so ne Juventus nebo Parma, and in January at the Bebueni Tiwena de Bologna, Fiorentina, Torino, AS Roma, na AC Milan, and Lecce, and so the Abueni Cremonese, and Hellas Verona, and Monday, Lazio, and Como. What a game, Lazio Como. Nice game, pan, Ebeyeno, Intikashana Sosa, Efa, and Mami. Enra. Barca Racing Santander by 2-0. The Spanish Copa del Rey anymore na Burgos. Valencia Bonaca Mienua 1-1 and Tianone the Corso fixtures this weekend. There's a third place here, Africa Cup of Nations here winning this weekend. You start here third place game in Nigeria and Egypt at 4 p.m. Now for Senegal and Morocco at 7 p.m. on Sunday. To watch and a third place game in Basso Sunday, Senegal versus Morocco. Now, Yampo Afcon here, what should be Diana. Be pronounced and say they Ghana can give it magic. But the level of quality of teams are hold on edge, you know. Yet is in Mountain so and Ghana focus service almost said, Ghana Jinimu and Kabefa. Till the Ghana for guy.
Oh, maybe I think the Morocco a chance. Because me not already now I'm in some mess in Nigeria because I'm on pressure.
But I Senegal and Dinkunim. Play up, Papa. I don't come back to Boxy. Be no match market. Could you see Semano? Who now go Boboni? Yakwaya go back to best home. Oh, Ghana, they can try their sense and says it's Kajoya Quintino. But like I say, you have a quality selfish. Maybe to us, I mean, more when I'm going to park or so. Mama is a Mikumi or mine. Dear, second me qualifier, a bit me up with him, or men come friend. It's a measure born Africa this year, Afcon or Adom. The Ghana to me, a bobia, Quebec and Empire. Would you park and so now share more than bar? Who would that to say, oh, we'll be about 4-4-2 or about 4-2-3-1. By Ghana there. And once you have France, I had to say my ball. Win Nama. The media Ghana there. And I am to me quiet. Maybe I not just say Yame, and you bono when Yame free stroba, and maybe I can sacrifice for you to me. Ghana team or Minji Ghana team in India. Minji Mundi 1 minute. Come with GDA, say a bit to me. What I say, no GDA. Ghana can be so be
okay be see obi because o hwe ball no ball na enye fa bia sa
sesi ase na ye ball no em say eye World Cup na ye qualify Afcon dia they say na kan ebi ye kakra ebi say ye modern ball idea ko World Cup de ntanka ebi ye kakra
ne je de na nka ye ntimi nye efri say enka bom na eko team ni mu no na no ombre on say esa ba say World Cup ye ntimi anyi we de na o say ye re ho
nka wa na ekwaje cup no mo chenni no Ghana ye chenni no mo ball ho no bla bi asem na oken o na ka kwata o dabi Adom bobo na obi aboma no ho nti Ghana ko bi anka ni
omo nto menje omo ye krampo ya kuma mpo no mmese ai ombeku ye minya rehye bia wo mu
me yes sure because the coach I get no the main trust no because of your coach I get other players no plan no be more selfish
omutimi yene ko no mako why
on ke endru be bia
wala kra na o ye kita semenyo kita kudu.
Right, that's it. So they're gonna for a can for Afcon and Ghana woman can be far no. Yeah, they be see now.